Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to use the auto beat feature in CapCut PC. So this is a new feature in CapCut wherein it goes ahead and identifies or detects immediately the beat that it has onto the different music that you will add. So this is actually a cool feature so that it would be easier for you to go ahead and add in some transitions or any cool edits onto your video. So for us to be able to proceed, you could simply import the video, audios, or photos that you want to add in here, or we could simply use the audio in here since there are a lot of audios that it offers. So for us to be able to go ahead and add them, we're just going to go ahead and find something in here, or you could go ahead and simply search it here onto its search bar. So let's go ahead and add a specific one. Click onto add to track and it should go ahead and add this onto our timeline. So it should look something like this. And for us to be able to add in a beat, you could see this auto beat feature. So we're going to go ahead and click onto that. And there are two options. We have beat 1 and then beat 2. So for this one, you could choose beat 1 and then it will show all of the different keyframe that signifies the beat for beat 1, and we have a different option for beat 2 as well, where it is more detailed for that. So we're going to use beat 1 for this, and we're going to make this one bigger so that it would be easier for us to go ahead and find in the different beats in here. And for us to be able to proceed, it's time to add in the different medias already. So you could go ahead and add in different things from the library in here, or you could simply go ahead and add in your own photos, and we could add this different videos in here. Do the same thing of clicking onto this icon in here to add this onto our video, or clicking the blue icon once this one is downloaded. So let's try out up until 6 videos for this one. Now once it is downloaded, you should be able to see the blue icon to add the track already. So we're gonna click on to add the track in here, just like that. And then right after, to go ahead and match this onto the beat, we're gonna go ahead and have this one placed into the middle of the yellow icon or the keyframe for the beat. So we're gonna go ahead and split that. So we'll delete the right for that one so that it should match or look something like this. So we're going to go ahead and repeat the same process until we finish doing all of this so that it matches the beat of the video that we have. So we're just going to move it just like that. And then we could go ahead and copy this one out and then paste it again so that it should match or look something like this. And we'll do the same thing, placing the different keyframes onto the middle of each videos so that it will go ahead and move on to another video onto each beat. So it should look something like this. And you could also add in some transitions for that. Just click onto transitions here onto the upper part, and you could choose different transitions to go ahead and match the beat. So for example, we want to use this specific transition. We're going to go ahead and download this one first. And once it is downloaded, we could go ahead and place this here onto the middle of the video. So we'll just keep on adding them onto the middle of each videos in here so that it should look cool once the beat will change. So you're just going to finish this up until the end of the video to go ahead and see the final result. Now, once you're already done, it should look something like this. And if you do a quick preview, this is how the video turns out. As you can see, the video change onto each beat that it offers. And that is just basically it onto how to use the auto beat feature in CapCut PC. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.